Vanakkam to all. Today we are going to do permutation and combination. Children, most of the children has doubt where I have to use permutation, where I have to use combination, in what kind of problems will come in permutation and combination. So, permutation and combination looks similar, right? The permutation means everyone knows it is called arrangement, arranging the things in order. So, order is a matter here, permutation. Combination means choosing or selecting a object or selecting a numbers or selecting a persons from a large group is called a combinations. So how to identify whether it is a permutation questions or it is a combination questions? Just you keep in mind the words arrangements, order, like that word you can use permutation. Choosing, selecting, that it is a hint word. It is a hint. Choosing, selecting, you can use a combination problems. Okay, where I am using this permutation combination in my real life, why I am learning this? So many has this doubt, right? So I'm giving just real life some examples. For example, suppose everyone has phone in hand. Suppose your phone has password, right? Some 4 digits. Suppose you are keeping 1234. Okay, if you want to unlock your phone, what will you do? You have to type 1234. Or if you type 4321 or any other number, changing the order, will the phone will you can you unlock your phone? No, it is not possible. So here the order matters. If you change the order, definitely you cannot unlock your phone, right? So like our car or bike, the number plate have you seen? Everyone can see TN07, TN01 or TN21. Some number will be there. If you change the order of the number, definitely the identity will change. Here order is important. Suppose a ranking competition, you see the suppose A got rank 1, B got rank 2, C got rank 3. So if we're selecting, so it is different from B is rank 1, A is rank 2. Okay, it is different. So here the order is very important. Now I will come to the combination. Combination means suppose we are calling some 3 class representative from class 10. Class representative is class 10. So it is ABC or BAC or the order doesn't matter, right? All are class representative. Okay. Now everyone, I think everyone likes to eat pizza. Okay. So if you'll order the pizza, I think you know very well, you can change your toppings, right? They will ask 5 toppings are there. You can choose any one of that. So you can select all the 5 toppings. So here order doesn't matter. You can choose in any order, right? Okay. Suppose in your wardrobe there are 5 shirts, 10 shirts are there, some 20 pants are there. You want to choose some 2 shirts or some pant. It is not the order is not necessary, right? From the 20 shirts or 10 shirt, you can choose any one of that, any two or any one. You can pick any one, right? Here order doesn't matter. So now you can understand what is a permutation and what is a combination, how it is helpful our real world problems. So this permutation combination theory will be useful in the probability theory and the algebraic the number theory in algebra. You can use all these permutation combination concept. Now I am going to do different models JEE previous year questions. All the how many types of questions will be there? So number related questions are there. So now the selection, I told the selection, the group of people we are selecting some 10, 20, like our cricket team, how they are selecting, in how many ways they are selecting the batsman and bowlers, in how many chances are there. Okay, these kind of problems, selecting a people, selecting a chairman, vice chairman in some company. So these all the different types of numbers, some 2 digit, 3 digit. In the numbers will come means it is this repetition is allowed or repetition is not allowed. What is repetition? Suppose triple one. Triple one is a 3 digit number, right? Here the one is repeating in all the places. So repetition number, all the numbers are not the same. 3 digit means all not 111, right? So different numbers. So repetition is allowed, repetition is not allowed. The divisible by 5, the divisible by 3, odd number, even number, these kind of number problem. And so different types of problems. So I'm going to solve one by one problems today. So shall we start a problem? Read the first question. There are 12 points in a plane. No 3 of which are in the same straight line except 5 points which are collinear. There are 12 points are in the plane. 5 points are collinear. What is collinear? Collinear means all the points lie in the same line is called a collinear. Okay, fine. Then the total number of triangles can be formed with the vertices at any 3 of these 12 points. How many triangles can be formed using these 12 points? In that they are told 12 points, 5 points are collinear. 5 points mean that 5 points will be in the straight line. So the remaining points not in the straight line. So use that points. How many triangles can be formed? To make a triangle, how many points you need? You need 3 points to make a triangle, right? They can ask how many straight lines or how many triangles. If they will ask straight lines, you have to get 2 points, right? If you join 2 points, you will get a straight lines. But here the triangle. Triangles means we need 3 points. Okay. How many points in the plane? Totally 12 points are there. From the 12 points, I have to draw a triangle joining each 3 points, right? So any 3 points I can join. So any 3 points I can select. I have given the introduction in combination. I am selecting 3 points from the plane. That means I am selecting. So I am using the combination. So 12C3 means out of the among the 12 I am going to choose 3 points. Why I am choosing 3? Because they are asking how many triangles can be formed. 12C3 minus they told 5 points are collinear. 5 points are collinear mean that all the 5 points forming 5 points lying in a same straight line. So we cannot form a triangle using those 5 points. So minus 5C3, right? So okay. So what is the combination formula? NCR is equal to, N means what? N is total number of items taking R at a time. This is NCR. Combination means the number of N items we are taking R at a time. So NCR. So out of the 12 points I am taking 3 items. So 12C3. The formula is N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. So I am using 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 3. So 9 factorial into 3 factorial minus 5C3. 5 factorial by 5 minus 3. 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So simplify this. We are getting 3 into 2 minus 5 into 4 by 2. So 220 minus 10. So 210 triangles we can form. This is a multiple choice question. So they have given many options, 210, 210, 20, 230 and all. So our answer is 210. 12C3 minus 5C3. Here children is very clear. Here we can use only combination because out of the 12 points in a plane, we can join any 3 planes to get a triangle. So the question is very clear. So it is about a combination 12C3 minus 5C3. Why I am doing minus 5C3? Because it is 5 points. It is lying on the line. So we cannot form a triangle using that all the 5 points. So I am using minus 5C3. So answer is 210. This is one type of problem. Next type we will go. See the question. The number of sequence of 10 terms, the one sequence containing 10 terms, whose terms are 0 or 1 or 2. Only these 3 numbers are in the sequence. The sequence contains 10 terms. The numbers, the terms are only 0, 1 and 2. Okay, that contain exactly 5 ones. The 1 is coming 5 times and exactly 3 twos. 3 twos. 2 is coming 3 times is equal to. So how many sequence can be framed using this 0, 1 and 2? That sequence must contain 10 terms. But the term should be 0 or 1 or 2. Only the 3 elements should be there. So how many the sequence can be formed? Okay, the sequence, how many they told? Exactly 5 ones. That means 1 is coming in 5 times, right? It is coming in order or it is in a different, it is all the ones are together or in different form. That is not a problem, but 1 is coming 5 times. Then exactly 3 twos. So 2, 2, 2. Correct. So how many terms here? Now 8 terms are occupied, right? The sequence should contains only 10 terms. Now 8 term is occupied. So remaining should be 0 definitely, because they told the sequence contains only 0 or 1 or 2. For 1 is 5 times is appearing, 2 is 3 times is appearing, and the remaining term definitely should be 0. So 2 zeros are there. So these are total 10 terms. In how many ways this how many sequence can be formed? So the number of sequence will be, okay, number of sequence. Already I told you these all the 10 numbers can occupy in 10 places, because this one can occupy in the first place, this one can come here also, here also, here, here. So this it can occupy in all the 10 places. Similarly 0 also, 0 can be in the last place or in the 9th place or in the 8th place, like that. Same way the 2 also. So all the 10 numbers can come in all the 10 places. So it is come all the 10 factorial ways, all the 10 numbers. Suppose any repetition is there? Yes, is a repetition. 1 is coming 5 times, so 5 factorial, and 2 is repeating 3 times, and 0 is repeating 2 times. So the number of sequence, how many sequence means they have given 5 ones and 3 twos. So remaining I am filling with the zeros, 2 zeros, because the terms contain, the sequence contain 10 terms. Okay. So 10 factorial, all the 10 numbers I told, each number can occupy in all the 10 places. This 1 and 2 and the 0. So the repetition, all the 1 is coming 5 times, and the 2 is coming 3 times, and 0 is coming 2 times. That is the denominator. So now you can calculate the value. 10 factorial is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5 factorial. 5 factorial will get cancelled. 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 2. Okay. So the answer is 2520. How many sequence you can form using 0, 1 or 2, and some condition? The sequence must contain 5 ones and must contain 3 twos. So the sequence, how many sequence we can frame? 2520 sequence. This is next another model. Now we'll go to the next model. From a group of 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers, 10 players are to be chosen for a team, which should include at least 4 batsmen, at least 4 bowlers. 1 batsman and 1 bowler who are captain and vice captain respectively of the team should be included. Then the total number of ways such a selection can be made. Okay, a team has to be 10 players. In the 10 players, 4 bowlers and 4 batsmen should be there. Okay, at least 4. At least 4 means minimum is 4, not less than 4. So it should be 4 or more than 4. Okay, but not less than 4. So you have to remember this word at least and at most. At least means that number or more than that number. At most means suppose at most 4 means 4 or less than 4. 0 is also included in that. So always someone will say 4 is less than 4. Now 1, 2, 3, not 0 also included in that. So at most and at least. So understand the difference of at least and at most. So now already one in team they have chosen one captain and vice captain from 7 and 6. From the 7 batsmen they have chosen one captain. From the 6 bowlers they have chosen one vice captain. Now we need 3 batsmen and 3 bowlers we need for the team. Now 1 batsman already chosen. So remaining 6 people I have to choose 3, right? And here how many bowlers are there? Because 1 is chosen for a vice captain. So remaining 5 people are there. So 5C5. Why now? How many total you see? From the here 3 people, from here 5 players. So the total 8 players only I am choosing. What they told, team must contain 10 players. Yes, 10 players, but already chosen. No, one captain and one vice captain is already chosen. So remaining 8 people I have to choose, right? 6C3 into 5C5 or okay. So you have to add everything. So this is another possibilities are. If I will choose 6C4 into 5C4, right? Another R, because there are all the possibilities. Here 3 and 5 are here. This from this category 4, this category 4, 8 R. Another category is 6C5 into 5C3. right? There are 3 possibilities are there. This many possibilities only because we have to choose 8 people. Already 2 people are chosen. The team must contain 10 players. So 8 people. From the first category 3, second category 5. This is one possibility. Or first category 4, second category 4. Another possibilities are 6C5 or 5C3. Or means what you have to do? You have to find the answer and add everything. So 6C3, you know the value 654 by 1, 2, 3. You use the combination NCR. 5C5 is 1 NCN. Choose all the 5 people, all the 5 you are choosing taken all at a time. So the value is 1. R means you have to put the plus. So 6C4, 6543 by 1, 2, 3, 4. I am using the same formula 5432 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Or another possibility 6C5, 65432 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 5C3, 543 by 1, 2, 3. You have to calculate all the values and add. Okay, this is 20. This will be 15. 15 into 5, 75. The third value is 6 into 10, 60. So add all the values 80 plus 75. So the answer is 155 ways. So how many the total number of ways? There are 155 ways to select a team must contain 10 players and the condition at least 4 batsmen and at least 4 bowlers. There are 155 ways are there. Then we will see the next problem. Next problem, this vowels model. Okay, the numbers start with this letter, end with this letter, like this. The vowels are together, vowels are not come together. So like this model, one sum definitely will come. See this question, the number of words, how many number of words which can be formed using all the letters of the word daughter. Okay, so that all the vowels never come together. The vowels should not come together. Like that, how many letters, how many number of words we can form using the word daughter. Okay, first you see how many letters are there. Daughter, DAUGHTER. Okay. So in that, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total letters are 8. Okay. In that, how many vowels are there? Count all the vowels. A, U, E. There are 3 vowels are there. Okay. So our question is the how many the number of words which can be formed using all the letters of the word, but the only condition the vowels never come together. So the vowels never come together. So I am going to find the way the total number of letters minus all the vowels come together. Then you will get the answer for the number of words the vowel never come together. Now the total letters of the word, total words will be 8. Total words is 8 factorial. In that, how many vowels are there means, okay, suppose all the vowels are together. Vowels are together. How many letters can be formed? All the vowels are together means count all the vowels are a single letter. Okay. So 8 minus, remove all the vowels. So 8 minus 3 will be 5. 5 letters are there. Now add all these 3 vowels, consider as a 1 letter. So it will be 5 plus 1. Now our total letter is 6 factorial. Right? How I am doing? Vowels are together means, see, total letters are 8. The vowels are 3. I am removing all the 3 vowels. So that how many letters are there? Now 5 letters. I am take all the vowels are a single letter. All the vowels are together. So all the 3 use as a single letter. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, 6 factorial. This is vowel together. Okay, and the vowels are together. And this all the three vowels are there and the three is together, and all the three letters can occupy in all the three places, right? Because all the vowels are together. The A, U, E, the A can come here also, here also. Same way, U will be in the first place or third place. E will be in the first place or second place. All the three letters can occupy in all the three places. So, all the three vowels together. But they didn't say which letter comes first, which letter has to come second, which letter has to come third. All the vowels should be together. So all the vowels occupy all the three places, 6 factorial. Now the number of words which contains the number of words where vowels never to be together is vowels never be together is total letters, total total arrangements 8 factorial minus all the vowels are together 6 factorial into 3 factorial, right? 8 factorial, how to write? 8 factorial is 8 into 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. And 6 factorial is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. Take the common letters from this. I think 6 factorial is common from both. Okay, the answer is 36,000. 36,000 words can be used. All the letters of the word daughter. The condition is all the vowels never come together. First, count the number of letters. The number of total letters is 8. How many vowels are there? Vowels are A, U, E. 3 vowels are there. Now, the total array, total words will be 8 factorial. Now, all the vowels are together. What I told, all the vowels are together means, so the total letters minus all the 3 vowels. So, 8 minus 3 will give 5. Okay. And consider this, all the 3 vowels is a 1 letter. So, 5 plus 1, 6 factorial. And why again into 3 factorial? Because they told all the, we are taking all the vowels are together. There are 3 vowels are there, A, U, E. All the 3 vowels, it should be together, but all the 3 can occupy their places. All the 3 can change their places. That is, A is here first place, or it will come second or third. All the 3 places, they can interchange their places. So, in 3 factorial ways. So, the total number of words where the vowels never be together is the total words minus all the vowels are together. So, the total words we can make 36,000 words we can make use the word daughter. Next model. Okay, we are using these words, using the letters, words, numbers. Now I can use direct application of the formula. Okay, they will ask to find the n and r like this. Okay, they have given the 3 ratio. N plus 1 CR plus 1 is to NCR is to n minus 1 CR minus 1 is equal to 55 is to 35 is to 21. So 2n plus 5r is equal to what? Okay, this is 2023 question, I think. Okay, so I will take the first ratio n plus 1 c r plus 1. Ratio can written as fraction. So first ratio I am writing in fraction. CR is equal to 55 by 35. Simplify this term using NCR formula. Here n is nothing but n plus 1, r is nothing but r plus 1. So use the formula n plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 minus r minus 1 factorial into r plus 1 factorial. This is the first part, numerator, divided by NCR. Again n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial is equal to 55 by 35. Now one fraction down, another fraction. First simplify this term. N plus 1 factorial divided by, look at here, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. N minus r factorial into r plus 1 factorial. So fraction down one fraction. This I am taking to numerator. N minus r factorial into r factorial divided by n factorial. Now, n plus 1 factorial, I will simplify this n plus 1 factorial. N plus 1 factorial can be written as n plus 1 into n plus 1 minus 1. So, n factorial. Now, n minus r factorial and r plus 1 factorial, can I write it as r plus 1 factorial is r plus 1 into r plus 1 minus 1 factorial. So, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, then r factorial into n minus r factorial into r factorial divided by n factorial is equal to 55 by 35. 55 by 35. Now you can cancel n factorial, n minus r factorial, r factorial and r factorial. So we have only the term n plus 1 divided by r plus 1 is equal to 55 by 35. I can write it as 11 by 7. Okay, now 7n plus 7 is equal to 11r plus 11. Now 7n minus 11r is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. We have to find the two variables. One is n and one is r. You know, it is two variables means we have to get two simultaneous equation and we have to solve and we have to get the n and r value. I have used first two. Now I am going to use the second two. NCR divided by n minus 1 C r minus 1 is equal to 35 by 21. Again use the same formula, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 minus r minus of minus 1 will become plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial is equal to 35 by 21. This n factorial, n minus r factorial into r factorial. Here minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. N minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. N minus r factorial got cancelled. N factorial I can write it as n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, into r minus 1 factorial divided by r factorial can be written as r into r minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial is equal to 35 by 21, 5 by 3. Okay, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1, r minus 1 got cancelled. N by r is equal to 5 by 3. 3n is equal to 5r. I can make 3n minus 5r is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. 7n minus 11r is equal to 4. Now 3n minus 5r is equal to 0. Solve these two equations. You know to solve both simultaneous equation either using an elimination or substitution method. I am going to use a elimination method. The equation 1 I multiplied into 3. So 21n minus 33r is equal to 12 and 21n minus 35r is equal to 0. Okay. So this is cancel. 35 minus 35 plus 35 minus 33 plus 35 2r is equal to 12. R is equal to 6. R is 6. What is n? So 3n minus 5r is equal to 0. 3n minus 30 is equal to 0. 3n is equal to 30. N is equal to 10. So we have found the value n and r. Now their question is 2n plus 5r. So the final answer 2n plus 5r is equal to 2 into 10 20 plus 5 into 6 30. The answer is 50. You have to solve using the combination proper formula n plus 1 CR plus 1. I am just applying the formula. It's a direct applications of formula. They will ask n and r value or r whatever NCR 2n plus 5r or 10C3, 5C3. So they can ask anything after getting the value of n and r. Okay, I hope you can understand the basic concept of permutation and combination and what are the types of problem will come for your JEE exams. Okay, to know more about permutation and combination and the main shortcuts, how to identify the permutation and combination and how to make the steps very shorter and these are exam shortcuts and exam point of view. If you want to know more about this, please follow AspireGate. Thank you.